Creme, back with another video. This one is just going to be a hair video about my just redoing, you know, some pieces. You know, you see all of this all gone, and well, not gone. Well, yeah, that's gone. The dried up gel and all of that. This all out. So I'm just going to be redoing, not all, some. And all I'm going to be using is my trusty Bella Curves coconut cream. A brush, maybe. Eco Styler gel. You can use whatever gel you want. You can also use whatever moisturizer or curling custard you want. And I can't find my comb. Oh. And one of these, whatever comb you want to use. It's all dirty. Need to be washed out. I should have started in the back. Well, it was already up. So you just want to, wherever you decide to start, just pin the rest up. And I'm just going to take one out. And just untwist. And I like when I just comb it out. And I really don't care too much about my parts. Because I don't like extra neat hairstyles. Look, all of that. I mean, I'm probably like, why did I wash it? Why just don't wash your hair and start over? Because no. And then I'm just gonna wet my brush with a little bit of water. And just comb it, not comb it, brush it so it could be a little wet. I'm going to take the Bella Curls. Yeah, this is why I love Bella Curls. My hair is so soft. Look at some of that definition already. Already, yes. So this would be good for a washing though too, y'all. And my hair is so soft. Then I'm going to take the gel and just like do the outer part, smooth it down. Yeah, you can probably see my parts now. Good. Go ahead. No. What's wrong? No. Then you just split that into two. I have to add more to that, sorry. Just split that in half. No! So for the braids like this, you know I have some that's like this, but like the whole thing doesn't need to be done. So like this needs to be tucked back in. So I'm just gonna unravel it to that part. And I'm just gonna add some of the a little bit of the Bella curls, you know, so it can be flat on there, or a stick, I should say. And then also some of the gel, you know, just to make it stick more, I should say. And then you just continue to braid or twist. And even make sure you're twisting tight, but not too tight that y'all look at him. And then you're just gonna twist all the way to the bottom. But you don't want to twist too tight because, you know, once you unravel it, I mean, let it go, it's gonna unravel. I don't know if, not unravel, but you know what I'm trying to say. Hopefully. I think the next time I want to go shorter when I do these, probably like right here. I mean, I did before, but so that is the end result. Now onto the front. while mommy does her hair. So what I do with the ends that aren't I don't know if you can tell, but like the same length, I kind of take the shorter piece, put it with the longer one. I mean, to avoid this, you want to make sure before you start doing it that you make sure the strands are even. Since I've been, doing this for forever, I really don't do that all the time. And you can also, like, you got like this piece, you could just wrap it around like this. Ooh. My big ass hands in the way. But yeah, just wrap it around so that way, it can stay. And then of course you're gonna dip the ends. Well, I don't think I'm gonna dip mine. Okay. On to the next. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. You split. Y'all don't gotta use so much product. I just do because my hair is super dry, and where I live it's super dry. And where I live is super dry. So y'all just gotta make sure that I have, a lot of moisture. So once it's split, you're gonna make sure the ends are even. And when I say that, I mean by like split up. I mean meet. See? They don't gotta worry about the little strings. Those can just be cut off. But as long as they're meeting up with just okay, when you have your hair split, you're gonna take the middle part, set this right here, take one side, twist, and you take the other side and you twist the opposite way. So this side right here is being twisted this way. This side right here is being twisted. Well, they kind of both can twist the same. But you just make sure that you twist them in the opposite directions. And then once you got that, you can cross them over. Don't want to match your elbow. And you just begin to twist. Now, my mistake when I first started doing these was twisting it. Twisting the pieces onto the. Was twisting my hair onto these for like, I'll say probably an inch or something. But I learned that the less you twist, I don't know if I'm explaining it right, the more secure that it's going to be. So you kind of just want to make sure you twist, and don't worry about the product, it's going to disappear. Well, turn transparent, I should say. See, these ends are better than the last braid that I did. And again, like I showed you with the last braid, I mean, you can do it with all of them. It don't necessarily have to be because your ends are split, I want to say. It could just be another way to secure it. You just take the one with the most, or I should say least stringy or whatever, you'll figure it out. And then you just wrap it around. So this is the piece that's not being wrapped. This is the piece that's being wrapped. You just take it and you, the product in my nail, wrap. Y'all feel my drift. Gotta get this out my nails. But yeah, this is all gonna come out. I'm not gonna do this, but yeah. It's gonna come out once it dries. So don't worry. Be happy. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't want to finish. I don't want to do the middle. And see, here's another of what I was talking about. And this also happens once. Just a second. No. Anywho, this happens if you part your hair in bigger sections and you don't use that much Molly hair. Again, me, I wasn't caring. I just wanted it done. No. So again, I'm just gonna unravel. Or if you're extra lazy, you can just like take, well, if it's not like this much, if you'll have like a little, you just take gel and then just, you know, put on your finger and wrap it around it. And then we'll lay it back down. So, product. That product on there, and now you see how it's laying flatter. I mean, you know it's not gonna be completely laid on the hair, but you know it's laying. Let me see. So something's in my eye. You just lay it on the hair. And then you just start twisting. Oh, I forgot the gel. You just put the gel on the ends. And on this one. And now you twist. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not hard. Even if you don't know how, see, I don't know how to French braid or cornrow, as some people say. I don't know how to box braid. This is like the only thing that I know how to do. I can flat twist, but not that well. I had these all over. But I can't find them. I only can find two, so I just put them on the This one right here. But anyway, yeah. See you guys later. I'm just gonna lay down and edit this video because I'm not feeling too well. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. You leave video suggestions. Yeah, y'all, but I can't finish this video.